the Nanobot, a smart switch you can turn on your computer. You can reset your computer. I want to make a nice espresso. Now I can control it over the net and turn on a speaker or maybe your stereo. Hey, that's something cool. Well, how about the switch at home? We can do that as well too. And check it out. Oh, maybe a fan, an AC unit. Why not? We can do that too. In this video today, I'm going to show you how this guy works right now. How we doing, everyone? I'm Dario, and this is MediaBoxEnt. Like always, we bring you the latest in technology, and today we can make anything smart. Now we can turn on your old stereo, AC unit. I don't know, fans. I can show you coffee makers. There is any kind of switch. We can turn it on. Toggle switch, momentary switch. There's all different programs we can run with this little guy, and I'm going to show you right now. Now, this guy is a low power Bluetooth, so it's going to last the battery for a long time. It uses a 3-volt battery. Let's open this up so I can show you the guts of this up. So it uses a 3-volt battery. It's a low power Bluetooth, and right here it has a switch for reset or to be able to pair. Now, what I use to pair this, I'm using a hub, in this case, or gateway actually. This one is a combination of Zigbee and the same time low power Bluetooth. I will leave the link right below this video. Now to pair, it's super simple. And now another thing too, it has a different error. So when you bought this one out, only counts with the push button, and that's the way you can remove it and install out. Now there is a package you can buy extra, and it comes with different things. They say a loop. So if you have a regular switch up and down, and if the one I show you in the beginning of the video, in that case you need 2 of those. So one to turn it off and one to turn it on, just to make that movement out. But really we can turn on almost everything, and we can program the way we want it. There's many different programs, and I'm going to show you that right now. So the idea of the Nanobot, now we can create many projects. And if you're looking about projects, so what do you think of the video up to now? Leave me a comment. Or if you want to see something else, leave me a comment too. Hey, and by the way, subscribe right now and like to the video. All right, so now let's go into the program. So first we have the click. So we press, it's going to come on and off or up and down. So it can be any type of switch. So in this case, it's like the one I showed you in the beginning of the video. That was my speaker. You press one, turns on, and then you press it once again and turns off with that switch. So it depends what you need to turn on and off. So the switch is pretty simple, and we can set the distance of the switch. Check this out. So that's how far I can go. I'm going to go and change this to only 50%. And you see that? That's only 50%. Depends on the switch. Now also, we can set the time. I'm going to leave it for 1 second. So maybe it requires reset a computer. Requires an extra second. So I'm going to go press, leave it there for a second, and reset back again. So there's the idea, if you want to reset the computer, turn on a computer, mining record, whatever you have. So that's the click. Now the next one is the switch. Right, that's a switch. So a switch can be a momentary switch. You see, it stays on that way. And we can set up and down percentage. We can change that out. We can do a calibration. We can be a touch control or inverse switch. We can change that too. So let's go back and there and go this way. So it depends on the switch. Now, once again, there are different errands. We can go and adapt these errands. Depends on the type of switch. Now, when if you get the model, I'm going to leave the link right below. This one in particular doesn't have any extra, but you can go and buy the extra. We'll leave the link as well too. So that is the one. Let's go back. That was the switch. My next one that I want to show you is the program. So the program allows you to program the way you want it. So in this case, in repeat times forever. So we're going to turn it on. It's going to go on, off, on, off, on, off, forever and ever until the battery runs out. Maybe there's a case you need to do that. You can set the position too, a location, what you want. Again, we can set that up. We can change the late moment. And we can again, and we can set another action, another delay. The idea for this, when you guys saw the video on the espresso machine, I did a simple program. With the idea of the espresso machine, in my machine, it requires to turn it on, wait about 2 minutes, then you press 1, it makes a single shot, press twice, it makes a double shot. I can program here, turn it on, release, wait 2 minutes, and then go back and hit it 2 times. Go back and go boom, boom, 2 times, and that will make a double espresso. Same thing if you want to turn a computer, you want to reset the computer. You can be fast to turn it on, but to turn it off, maybe to force turn it off, you have to lift the power for so much time, for let's say 3 seconds, 4 seconds. We can do that through the program or to the click. So these are all the things we can do. Now also, if we go back into the click, also it's a touch button here. I turn it off because you just touch it, turns on. So in this case, I'm going to turn on the touch control. So you can leave it off if you want, and then you just press here, and then goes up and down. I think this thing is pretty cool. It has a calibration. So there's a lot of things. Also, if you go into the advanced mode, and also has adaptive mode. So right now it is on. Also, you can apply resistant force as well too. So there's a lot of little programs you can run into this. So it's a pretty cool device, and we can run this on many projects. I would love to know what kind of projects or what you want to run on and off. If you got one of these little guys right now, leave me a comment. All right, guys. So if you see, it's pretty simple. And really, to pair this device, the only thing you need to do is just reset it. And I'll show you that. So I'm going to go and reset the switch from here. I'm going to press it and leave it for a few seconds. See? So that's reset. So I'm going to go here and just go end the device. And automatic edit. You see right over there? It's right there. Go there. Now becomes the number 3. So it's going to go on the installation. That's it. Now finger number 3 or bot finger 3 down. And that's it. It's right there. That's simple. All right, guys. I'll see you next time.